9, diamond, hit me. You can hear me bump chronic when I'm rolling through. Nothing but classics. What a homie, Uncle Snoop. You know what it is. We ain't tryna handle kids. Make it clap over stack. You know you got bills too. Fresh new gear with money still in my pocket. Hot like the summer. Y'all barely made a bracket. Hello, yo bitch texting me. She's sending a Snapchat so you wouldn't see. Whoa. Put that chick straight to working. Got a friend from the valley, we keep her urban. Light skin, dark skin, always with the curve on them. Let her surf on my surfboard, not talking surfing. Y'all already know, California, IA. You wanna get it on the low, ask my homie Jose. I be rolling with my woes. Hey yo, we just tryna get high.
I'm just tryna get to know ya. I can tell you're new to California. Let me show you how we do things. We keep it going through the weekdays. You're tryna live that fine life, going hard every day and every night. Like, let me show you how.
We are a minute away from it. If ever focused. Oh well, it's a minute away. We're almost there. I think it's not this turn, but the next turn up ahead. Now, why are you on the side of the shoulder, dude? Jesus.
Sure it's not. Oh, it's this. We buy guns. I don't like guns. Thanks, you. Look at that. That is. There's an unlock button.
Right.
Alright guys, in my new Miata right here. Oh, it sounds weird. You hear that? You hear that? It's about to die.
It's alright. This could be the clutch there. Alright guys, here's the Miata. Hey yo, what's up guys? We're back. It's been a long trip and we finally got the Miata. As you can tell, we're driving it right now. Kiev is driving because he's a boss at driving manual and I suck at it. So basically what we tried is to tow it with the towing. Obviously that didn't work because every time we turn, like the rope would like slip off. I don't know how people can do it, but they're fucking broke. So we tried that. Right now we're going down to the DMV to get some tab. This is illegal, do not do this at home. So we're trying to drive down to the DMV, get some tab, transfer the title over under my name, get insurance on it, but I'm actually team broke right now, so no insurance. And our homie Ryan back there, the big white truck, he's driving behind us to cover the tab, so you know, we don't get pulled over or police can like, you know, read us or anything like that. And that's that. Now we're driving back. So hopefully we'll drive back home safe. But honestly, the car is awesome. The only problem with it is the clutch, but we're gonna get that replaced in like a week or anything, you know, like that. Convertible feels awesome. This is my first convertible, and it is sadly my first manual transmission. But I am happy to get this car. Yeah, so we'll get back on you once we hit the DMV. Yeah, I do not look, I'm not bald, it's just I look bald. Alright, see you guys.
Let me see you drop that kitty down low. Let me see you shake it and make it just like a pro. Shake, shake, shake for some bands. Hot, hot, hot. Like damn. So with the top down, my bass up high, only thing to make a sound. I got a bad chick, she riding shotgun. She got a thick friend. Well damn, what you waiting for? Double up. I got my money on deck. I bet you 500 my life could be a movie itself. Hotter than wasabi, this shit hotter than a sauna. When she chillin' with us, to you she won't holler. It's a game of chess, got money on deck. Every day I'm blessed all day and every day. Wait a check. In case you didn't know, this is how we do. From our side of the world, all the way to you.
I'm just tryna get to know ya. I can tell you're new to California.
So we gotta fly on the car and Hi, Mr. Lancer. So basically, we're gonna go find a way where we can get this little car down. so good. That lady was just staring hard at me. So I'm gonna feature my friend's house. So we got an RX-8. There's the Subi right here, the Beamer and everything like that. So yeah, positive gang. Shout out Johnson. I found where my manager lived. I just think. Taking a really big view. She make it? She will make it. Woo. Clear that curb like nothing. Alright, so on the way down now. Sorry if I'm talking too much, but listen to music. I don't know, I might have some music in the background. Future note to Lang. I don't know. Good job. Alright, I guess we're set. What's up, dude? Hey. Alright, we're gonna take it off. Yeah, I was sitting back here, man. My butt hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a fast shower, dude. I was like, you're taking a number 2 and a number 1. Yeah. So we got 2 buff guy over there working out. We got this Superman right here that's just looking good, right? Sorry, Ron, I'm not hopping, but
Feels good taking a shower.
yeah.
Alright, man. I can't wait to see if I can get on there.
Ooh. Slide that thing over. I think you might want to slide the other way a little bit. Alright, yeah, should be good. Slide in a little bit. Gotta mask that.
I'm gonna do the front strap first, I think. Yeah, do front one first for the good done.
Getting car wash. I wish I had a mount, which I do at home, but I didn't bring a mount. That's nice, not smart. There you go.
Why do I move, man? I won't probably get in the car.
That's
Latch
true.
it.
That's true. Oh yeah, that's true. I gotta go outside. Latch it. Oh shit, you got it. Yeah, here.
Alright, someone get in there with, is the e-brake up good? Yeah, and it's the first here.
You need the mirror? This thing looks like a freaking Rolls Royce, dude. Hey, you see the orange hit? That's perfect around Parker's.
Yeah, I think nice. Can you guide us over there? Show them? Yeah. That's not possible. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Really? Isn't it his?
I've seen them. Well, alright, someone I get in there.
Take that back. It's not his uncle. You gonna reverse?
Well, just stepping off.
Just a little bit. It's okay. Alright. I'm allowing this time. So, underneath this. Your mouth's right behind you the whole time. And
then you weren't.
then I went because Mama was hungry for noodles. He's not hungry for noodles.
Average. Eat those really spicy ones.
Yeah, she actually ate it once and she fucking hated it.
That's for like 5 minutes, and I was good after that. half.
I mean, I was.
Oh, it's way longer than that for me. Oh. It's like an hour and a half of spice.
Yeah. Ryan felt sick and we went fishing. He just slept. Oh, there you go. Juggle boy. You untie that one. It's literally just what your dad did right here.
The Mazda symbol almost fell off.
I know, like I was right behind it. Oh, thank you, Lord.
I think just like glue it on.
I put this in the glove for me. Yeah, I have a double-sided tape somewhere.
Yeah.
It should be good.
I'm just gonna put the wood down just in case. I feel like our angle might be a little.
Yeah.
Oh God, this thing hurts. I am not a. I don't know. I'm weak. Like lay it right there. And then someone stand right here and once the car hits, just
No, put him down farther. These should be too big.
here. I would go up a lot right here.
Oh yeah.
Just put the wood block that we got.
That'll be fine.
Hey, hold on. Like I said, that's really.
Hey, just in case I push forward, actually, let's put some blocks or something like that. Just in case. Well, it has a lip on it on the trailer.
Oh, come on. Can we just push it up one more?
Yeah. I'll tell you how far back you should go. Like right before you go down the mountain.
I think.
So if we have to do the main progress, you know?
Hey, you think this thing's strong enough? Alright. There's a wood sticking out of the freaking car. I'm like, I'm gonna pass out. Oh, is that a nail? Oh, hell no. Hey, that's a nail, guy.
Right here, Dave. Oh shit. Here, alright, let's flip it around. That's a nail.
Good catch.
I was like, what's that sticking out?
Alright. Ready? Yeah.
Low light.
Yeah.
Is that gonna look good? Perfect. Alright, let her down slowly. Once it gets over the ramp, you can just push it. Alright, slowly.
That brake's actually pretty good.
Alright. You need me to put you off this stuff?
You probably did. Alright, use that muscle, Ryan.
Oh! Now it's gonna go fast.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
When you go down,
Woo! That wood though! That thing's flexible as hell. Oh shit.
alright.
Keep coming. Ah, dude. Oh Lord. Are you doing good? Oh man. Alright, now go all the way. Hey man, thanks for the wood.
Glad we brought that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you're trying to live that fine life, going hard every day and every night. Like, let me show you how we do things. We keep it going through the weekdays.
Let me see you drop that kitty down low. Let me see you shake it and bake it just like a pro. Shake, shake, shake for some bands. Hot, 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 like damn. I got a bad one. Shake it